Hi, today in front of me Nokia X10 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application. And here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the application. Tap to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher. Then tap twice to OK and go back. After that, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's go to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.